In this video, you'll learn how to get your BNB address on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to retrieve your unique BNB deposit address for transactions. To begin, navigate to the Binance website and sign into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the menu at the top of the screen. From there, locate and select the wallet option. In the wallet section, you will see various options available. Click on deposit to proceed. This action will prepare the interface for viewing your deposit addresses. After selecting deposit, you will encounter a list of assets available for deposit. Scroll through this list and choose BNB. It is crucial to confirm that you're viewing the correct wallet type, specifically for BNB, as this ensures you are retrieving the appropriate deposit address. This step sets the stage for accessing your BNB address. Next, you will need to select the correct BNB network. Options may include BNB, Smart Chain, or BBP2. Pay close attention to any network warnings that may appear as they provide essential information regarding compatibility and transaction risks. After making your selection, wait for the system to generate your deposit address. It is important to ensure that the sender supports the selected network to avoid any transaction issues. Once the deposit address is displayed, you need to copy it accurately. Look for a copy button next to the address and click it. After copying, take a moment to double check the first and last characters of the address to ensure accuracy. It is vital to share this address only with trusted sources and to use it exclusively for the selected network. If you plan to use this address for future deposits, consider saving it securely. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.